So I know on my mother's side, my family is related to the Vilna Gaon, who was one of the great luminaries of rabbinic Judaism of the past 300 years, and just a very Talmud-based, very pragmatic, and maybe not the Vilna Gaon himself, but the Lithuanian tradition around him really was anti the Hasidic revolution and really saw himself opposed to that. So their spiritual practice was about Talmud study and strict observance in that way. And then on my father's side of the family, we actually have a line to Rabbi Pinchas of Koretz, who was a great Hasidic luminary. And so there's like some family lore about the two sides of my ancestors, like at each other's throats. And that was a set of practices that were much more mystical and much more self-reflective of a different kind. But that didn't really trickle down to the family. My family saw itself as really established in the Lithuanian, misnagid, anti-Hasidic community. And my father was part of sort of a founding group of young men who developed the Lithuanian-based tradition in the US. And so that was really what saturated my understanding of where I came from and who I was.